Hello everyone. In this class, we will be learning about Matplotlib, how to plot a bar graph using Matplotlib inside the Python. Okay. Okay. So I have opened the Google Colab. First, I need to connect. Okay, it is get connected. So now, if you want, you just rename it. I don't want. I'll just continue. I'll just import the pandas, sorry, matplotlib. So if you are doing the data analysis, then we will be importing pandas. So here I'm not doing data analysis and all, just visualization. So I'm importing matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, then what I have to do, I need a data, like I'll be putting some, okay, I'll just categorical data, cat, I'll just put it category data will be category, like that I'll just mention. Then I'll just call a category B, category C, category D, sorry, category D, like that. I'll be defining variable one variable and the values. Okay, value will be, this is the frequency, so just I'll put it 10, 50, comma 25, comma 15. Like this, I have defined the two variables. Now what I have to do, I need to plot the bar plot. So how can I do that? So in order to do that, that's a simple things. Okay, just mention plt. Okay, plt dot bar. Okay, then after that, you have to pass the on the x-axis what kind of data it has supposed to come, and on the y-axis what kind of data it's supposed to come. Like that, you have to mention the things. Okay. So here you can see what are the things will be coming inside this bar plot. It will be showing x-axis, height, you're supposed to provide the height, width, okay, all the things you can provide, height of the bins and the weight of the bins, and bottom alignment, center you want, edge you want, like that you can, all the things you want to provide it. Okay, so yeah, color is there, so color, then line width, like that many parameters will be there. We will not be exploring all the things, just a basic thing we will be exploring. Okay, so if you want to get to know about in depth, just open the matplotlib libraries. Okay, documentation, matplotlib documentation. So here the user guide will be there, or just search bar plot. Okay, or else I'll just get into this user guide. Okay, no tutorial is not required, so I'll just go to the user guide. Okay, so here, quick start. Okay, this is how you will be importing matplotlib.pyplot as plt, like that. So this is a different graph, and this is another graph, figure, I mean figure size. You want to change the size of the image, then you have to go with the figure. Okay, here all the graph will be coming, so you can explore here, you will be getting more idea about that. Okay, this is the subplots and all, figure and the background. So there's about the different parameter. If you want to change the background color, you can change it as well. Okay, you just explore it here. Utility dot bar plot, then I have to put category, right? So category dot comma value, then I supposed to, okay, I'll just plot the basic plt dot show. Then the bar graph will be coming up like this. I just want to change the color. Just mention color is equal to orange. See, orange color will be coming. Or you want some other color like red, you can put R, or else you can go with the full color like red. Both will be same. You want green color, green, or else black, sky blue, whatever is there, you can go with it. Again, you can explore the color part here. you will get a more idea about that. Okay, color bar. So what are the possibilities will be there in the color bar? These all the things will be there, what it will do and all they will be explaining you here. Okay, you can explore here also. Sky blue. Okay, this is how it will be coming. So now what I want to do, I just want to put the number. Okay, sorry, not number. I just want to change the name. I just want to put the name on the x-axis as well as y-axis, and the title also I just want to put it. So what I have to do, just mention plt dot for title. Okay, title, here it is there, title. Just mention the plt dot title. Bar chart, what you want to write, that just write it down. Plt dot x label and y label. In the x-axis, what kind of things you want to write, y-axis, what kind of things you want to write, just write it down. You can see bar chart, values and categories. So this is how you can plot the graph in using Matplotlib. So I hope you learned something new. In the next class, we will be learning about more other chart like a line chart, pie chart, and all. We can explore one by one. Okay. I hope you learned something new. Thank you.
Hey, don't forget to download our app for access to free courses and interactive quizzes. Stay connected with us on social media for updates and free content. See you next time. Happy learning.